Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create polls on YouTube. Okay, so polls are very important if you want to get feedback from your viewers, or if you want to get some video ideas, then you can create polls on YouTube. Okay, so you can create polls on YouTube using your phone or using your laptop. Okay, so I will show you both methods. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. So on phone you first have to open your YouTube, and here just click on this plus icon, and here you can see we have got the option of create post. So you can just click here, and here at the top you can see we have got bunch of different options like quiz, text poll, image poll, or just text. Okay, so if you want to do an image poll, then you can click on this image poll. For now I want to create a text poll, so I will click here, and here you can just ask your community about your channel or about your videos. Okay, so let's say I just ask a question. So after asking your question, you can just add options. So let's say I have added these two options, and if you want to add more options, then you can just tap here, add options, and you can add more options as you want. Okay, so for now I just want to add two options, so I will click this, and you can just post it right away, or you can just schedule from here. Okay, so I just want to post it right away, so I will click on this post. So here you can see my poll is created, and let me show you how this will show to another person. So my poll will look like this to other viewers. Okay, and they can just choose any options from here, or they can also comment on my poll from here. Okay, now let's see how we can create a poll on laptop. So here in laptop, to create a poll you just have to click on this create post, and again you can see we have got these options like image poll, text poll, or quiz, or video. Okay, as here we are creating a text poll, so I will click here, and just like before I can just write my question. So just like before, if you want to add more options, then you can just click here, add another option, and you can just add more options. For now I want to add only two options. Now if you want to post it right away, then you can just click here, or if you want to schedule this post, then you can just click here and you can schedule your post. Okay, so that's how you can create a poll on YouTube. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.